Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Veena. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Vinu, this is Deepika, Karthik's friend. Many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead.
हे विनू वाढदिवसाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हॅव अ ग्रेट इयर.
Hi Vinu, this is Priya. Wish you a very happy birthday.
विनूभाई हॅपी बर्थडे.
Surprise Kutu! Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Have a great year ahead. Wishing you all the happiness. Enjoy your day Kutu. Take care. Bye.
Hi Vinu, happy lockdown, happy Corona. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Hope you enjoy the day. Have a great day. Bye bye.
ఈరోజు ఒక వెధవ బర్త్డే, వాడి పేరు విను. మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే విను. మే గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. విష్ యూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
यारे बट्टे राम राम हैप्पी बर्थडे विन्नू ఇంకా అవి దాజులు తెలలో దాజులు సంగతి
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వినూ.
రైట్
Hi Ravino, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Vinayak, hope you remember this is Guru Prasad, Karthik's friend. Wish you happy birthday man, have a wonderful life, God bless you.
हेलो विनायक ब्रो, हैप्पी क्वारंटीन बर्थडे टू यू. देख रहा ना क्या हाल हो गया. एनीवेज मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. तो अगर सुचित्रा नहीं जहीराबाद में रहता तो भी आ जाते, बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ क्वारंटीन में भी वी कैनॉट मीट. सो एन्जॉय योर बर्थडे विद बाबी एंड योर फैमिली. वंस अगेन वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रो.
Hi Vino, firstly I'm proud of you man. The way you are is it's tremendous. Who cannot be there like you, and every person need a friend like you man. You're most loving person ever I seen on the earth, because everyone likes you and everyone make wanted you be in their life. So this is a great achievement which you achieved within this 25 years. I mean you achieved earlier only, but you completed 25 years. I want to remind that. And one more thing, पहली बात देख, you been like you already completed 25 years and you achieved many things, like you got married, you been in the well settled position, and doing one more thing, you been like being a good son, good husband, and good brother, and a good friend of mine. I'd feel proud to be call you as my Jan. So I want it to be continue for next generations too. This year, not only this generation, the coming generation also. And friends in need and friends in deed. There is a quote, and which more applicable to you, and more can be said about you. And there is many more quotes we can say you for you, but it's only thing that you are awesome man. You are like, there is no words to say about you, and I wish you many more happy returns of the day. And I'm missing you from last 2 years. This year I literally tried to come, and last year I tried, but I went to attend some other event, which was my Nani's death ceremony. That's okay, but at least I thought this year I could attend and I could meet you, I could celebrate, but I could not happen. But next year, this is the third time. I don't want to repeat the same thing on the third time. So we'll make it, rock it, and we'll have a long trip on your birthday, as you made on my birthday on 2017. So I want to make you in 2021 as a grand celebration of your birthday. We'll have a road trip with our friends gang who is interested to come. It's applicable to everyone. And finally, I want to tell you, you got a such a loving wife in your life. So be happy, make others happy, and continue the smile on your face always as you continue every day and every moment of your life. And I wish you to achieve many more achievements in your life, as you're willing to start your own business, it will be soon, and you can, and you will be, and I'll be supportable to you every time, which if I can, I definitely help you in every single moment of my life. And simply I'll tell you, I want to dedicate my life to you, man. Whenever you need anything, I'm ready to help you. If I can, if I am eligible to do that, okay. And I'll want to thank many of friends. Whenever when I asked you about your birthday wishes, everyone, they in a single moment, they never said anything. They just sent it me within a fraction of minutes, seconds, hours too. But I'm thankful to them also, who responded in this lockdown period also, and they made it successful. And especially like Akash and Monica and my new friends too, that's like Deepika, Priya, Manish, he was the first person who sent the video, and Dilakan, who was busy always. And some of them, one of our friend need to send the video. He's on the way because he was in the Canada right now. He said he'll be sending by tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'll make it done. And special thanks to Sai, including he was busy in the VC, so still he sent me, so that's okay. And especially no one is please don't comment on my English and grammatical mistake. Hope so this time Sunil is not ready to comment on my English. I wish he'll also send the video soon. He'll be sending actually, and at least he'll send the wishes. I'm proud about it, and I want to tell you many more things, man. But I'm missing you. I miss you always. Soon we'll meet. We'll rock it. And remember, 2021 birthday will make it too much successful. I'm missing you again. Love you, bro. There's no words to say once again. I'm proud of you. Bye.